Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Seema Sunil, working as Head of Emergency Department at Care Hospitals Nampally. Today I want to tell about Emergency Department, what exactly is Emergency Department, what kind of patients we deal with. We deal with all kinds of patients 24 by 7, 365 days, and the patients can come with any presentation like chest pain or fever, vomitings, any kind of problem like poisoning or weakness of upper limb or lower limb, stroke, or any patient coming with road traffic accidents. And we are all trained to deal with such patients in emergencies, and we have a golden period where we can treat the patients, and we have a very good team where we give rapid response in treating the patients. And people generally fear when they come to emergency department, they feel that they will get admitted and the bills will be, no, it is not that so. Any patient who comes to emergency, we give them immediate resuscitation irrespective of cost, irrespective of anything, any other issues. Our job is to resuscitate the patient at any cost, and we see to it that we resuscitate them well. And so that is kind of care we give, and or any help, even walk-in OP patients we deal. So, but there's still people are not aware of emergency department, unfortunately, in India. In foreign countries, people they are well aware of it, but in India they feel that if we come and they might admit, oh no, it is not that so. Any help you require, you need to reach out at us, and we can guide you and help you and give advice, proper advice, and we have a good team in our hospital. So please do come. Please don't delay in getting the treatment. For example, patient comes with coming with chest pain. They think that it is just an acidity, and they land up in our department after 24 to 48 hours with a huge MI, and then they fall very sick. And this patient, provided if he or she would have come earlier to the ER, we could have we can do wonders. So, and similarly in patients with example like weakness of upper lower limb, and they feel that they have got some kind of generalized weakness and they're not eating, and when they land up in ER, they'll have a acute brain stroke. And so, you know, we miss the golden period, the window period. So this is kind of awareness I'm trying to give. Please, any small symptom or any small disease, you please reach out the emergency department. I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to say. Thank you.